Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create APT by Rosie and Bruno Mars, a viral video for TikTok using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut, and before you create the trend, make sure you have prepared your video doing APT challenge or APT trend. And here I'm just going to use video from Rosie. Okay, I'm going to create a new project and I'm going to insert this video, Rosie doing the APT challenge. Okay, and then we're going to remove the background of our video. So we can go to the remove background menu, tap on your video and then go to remove background. And if you haven't subscribed to CapCut, you can use the custom removal. But here I'm just going to use this one to make the process faster. Okay, once the background of the video has been removed, we're going to go to the background menu and select the image. Okay, and I'm going to choose this background for my video trend. Okay, and now the background has been replaced with this one. And then I'm going to add APT text to my video. But wait, let me find the location for the text. I'm going to adjust the text with the song. Wait guys. Okay, here I'm going to click on add text and then I'm going to type in APT. Okay, and then we're going to animate this text, so we can go to the animation and we can go to the loop animation. Okay, and I'm just going to choose this one. You can choose the animation that you like, but I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate the text many times. You can go to the duplicate and you can arrange the position like this. You can put it randomly like this, and I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, and I'm going to duplicate it one more time. Select the duplicate and I'm going to place it here. Okay, all right, and then let's see the final result. Okay, it will create something like this, and you can make the text longer according to the song. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create APT by Rosie and Bruno Mars viral video for TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.